Paradigm.
CleanScreen is a unique and innovative folding privacy screen system which has been developed specifically to address infection control. The screen is lightweight, maneuverable, and very easy to use. It can be set up to fold in either direction, and each panel comes with a braked caster to keep the screen in position. The screen folds away neatly when not required. The wall mount option is easy to install, with separate brackets so the screen can be offset from the wall. The mobile trolley is an excellent option where multi-use location is required. The screen folds up inside the trolley for easy transportation. The screen starts less than 10 centimeters from the floor and reaches to almost 2 meters, providing best in-class patient privacy and infection control. CleanScreen is modular, so panels can be easily added or removed by using our simple connection pin system. The waveform design is unique, stylish, and creates a reduction in light glare. CleanScreen is made from a tough, durable material, capable of dealing with even the most demanding of environments. The casters fit closely to their robust mountings in the panels, which ensures strength and minimizes impact from traversing bumps. CleanScreen is designed with smooth surfaces, with no seams or joints, so bacteria cannot harbor and multiply. Most important of all, its smooth contours and patented hinge design ensure every part of the surface is accessible for thorough, clinical cleaning. It is also fully waterproof, and panels can be disconnected for a terminal clean. CleanScreen comes with an antibacterial additive if required. It is integral to the product, providing lifelong protection and will not rub or wash off. Available in a choice of ivory, aqua green, or antibacterial blue, the NoJerm CleanScreen takes patient privacy and infection control to a new level.
Paradigm.